Hey guys, welcome back to another tech tip and guide video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can stop other people from tagging you in Facebook. So, whenever someone uploads a photo and tags you, their photo will appear on your timeline. And if you don't want that, I'll show you exactly how you can stop that. So first of all, open your Facebook app, then tap the three lines on the bottom right corner of the screen. Scroll down, tap on Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Now again scroll down and there you can see an option named Profile and Tagging. Tap on it and here you can see all the options related to profile and tagging. So first of all, what you want to do is turn on Review Tags people add to your post before the tags appear on Facebook. So once you turn this on, whenever someone tries to tag you on their post, it will first of all ask for your confirmation, and if you allow it, the tag will appear. Otherwise, if you don't allow it, the tag won't appear and the photo will not show up on your timeline. So turn this setting on, and also the second one, which is review posts you are tagged in before the post appears on your profile. So turn this option on. And what it will do is, after you've reviewed the tag and if you allow it, it will again ask for you whether you want the tag to appear on your profile or not. And if you don't allow it, the tag will remain but the post won't appear on your profile. So these two options are really helpful. So that is how you stop other people from tagging you in their posts. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, please make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informational and helpful videos like these.